Saturday afternoon, 5 o'clock, still 30 degrees. It has been incredibly hot today. So hot that you just don't think you can do anything. Don't know whether you can hear in the background. Aircon's working its socks off, bless her. Sharon and Bo are chilling in the cool at the minute. I had a little while earlier in there, but I'll come back out into the sun or the shade. And you just can't do anything, it's too hot. No point in going sightseeing today. We just melt, let alone Bo. My poor little feet on the hot floor. But yeah, just had a little trip up the shop, reception shop, 2 more bottles of the local wine and a couple of ice creams. That should just do us, I think. It's very quiet today. One thing I noticed is a lot of French people turned up for the weekend, especially in the cabins. I guess they're weekenders. They came Friday night, they'll be probably gone tomorrow or Monday. But pretty much what happened in England, I guess. Yeah, so another hour or two and strike up the barbie again. Got those kebabs, really good looking kebabs I bought from the butchers in Brissac the other day, so they're in the fridge ready. I've got my bottle of rosé, local rosé. I'm looking forward to my tea tonight. Oh, why do you reckon this hot weather? Is that a bit much? Got your cooling mat, you got plenty of drinking water. Your cage is in the shade. Oh, she's off. You don't see her mum, look.
Good evening. So it has been one scorcher of a day today. I think I've spent most of the day in the caravan with the aircon, with little Bo, because it has been rather hot. Now my dear husband is doing the barbecue.
Bonsoir, ça va? That bloody fly's back again. I've had that all the time we've been here. Barbecue's on. My rosé's in the fridge. Just about finished my beer. Life's looking good.
And what sort of day has it been?
I said earlier that's been extremely hot.
That still is though, isn't it? And what's the time? Nearly...
I don't know, 6 o'clock, half 6.
No, it's 7:30.
7:30?
Yeah.
Oh, how time does fly. I don't think properly. We had a knock on the door, or a knock on the awning this morning, because yesterday or the day before I put a quick mention on the Coachman Laser XL Owners Club about where we were in a quick photograph, and a couple from just a few pictures away recognised the photograph and come and said hello. So that was very nice. We had a long chat about Coachmans and local interests. Yeah, very nice. Nice couple. Nice to meet you.
She did say she wouldn't give up her double bed for aircon, but she did come in and she really did enjoy a little bit of cool air today. Bo's been in there with me, but now she is fast asleep on her cooling mat, trying to keep her as cool as we can. It's really hard though. That's why a lot of the time I've been staying in the caravan. But yeah, we're going to have some tea. It is getting on, it's 7:30, but it's too hot to eat earlier really. So yeah, we'll catch up. Maybe I'll give you a little shot of our tea when it's done. Okay, bye bye. So Paul's now popped the red wine and he's now going to pop his rosé.
Bon appetit. That's Italian, isn't it?
Oh, is it? He nearly lost his dinner. Well prepared. So we have got different French sausages, kebab, chicken kebab, a few chips, garlic bread, sweet corn, and a nice salad. And obviously I'm into the red wine, and Paul's reckon he wants to try the rosé, so we've had to open 2 bottles. Not that we'll drink 2 bottles, we'll have them tomorrow night as well. What do you say about that?
I thought I heard you say you wouldn't finish the bottle, but this heat has probably affected my hearing.
Paul, a bottle has lasted me a few nights. Anyway, we won't get into that.
We're like a few bottles a night.
Oh! I'm waiting to see what that rosé is like. Whether it's sparkling or just...
No, it's not sparkling.
Is it not? Well, you can tell me what it's like.
I don't think you'll like that. You better leave it for me. Don't force it down.
No, you're right. I don't like it.
Oh.
I don't like rosé wine.
I know you don't. This is a local red. Try that.
Okay. Let me have a try this one. Oh, I've been slaving over that hot cooker. It's okay. So it's right?
Yeah. Please. If I may.
Of course you may.
Cheers.
Cheers, my dears.
Not too bad. It's nice, isn't it? Light.
Look, very light, yeah.
Yeah.
Which is very nice in this heat.
Not that I know much about wine.
Oh. You seem
Some
to.
chips, not there?
Yeah, I think I might have some chips. Thank you for offering me first.
Yes.
Okay.
That film me while I'm watching.
What?
I can't have that film on me while I'm watching. Yeah. Film me while I'm eating.
A little sausage. And of course, I'll have some sweet corn. But, anyway, we'll catch up with you later. Enjoy. As you would say in France. Bon appetit, is it? I am trying, honestly, I'm very trying, he tells me.
Very trying.
But anyway, we'll catch up with you later. Bye.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. I just thought I'd share this. So obviously I'm on the red wine and Paul's on the rosé. And as you can see, unless it's evaporated, which he'll say that is, he's drank far more than me. Just thought I'd share that. Have you got anything to say on the matter?
Well, you hit the nail on the head. Not many people know this, but in France, because of the temperature and the humidity and the quality of the grape, that does evaporate much more quicker than the red. Well, that's my excuse and I'm sticking to it.
Well done, darling.
What did you want? Bikes for hire. Kids as well. This is what I mentioned about the grapes. There's a whole variety of grapes here. Chenin. Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet Franc. Rolou. Gamay. And up there in the distance there is some kind of function thing, and I think also some Jeets. Oh yeah, well catered for. There was a bit of an event on last night. Went on till the early hours. But hey ho. Now, if unfortunately the swing breaks, I'll get £200 and you've been framed. Oh, 250.
250, yeah.
Should have bought my hacksaw.
Oh, bubble like that. Hey. So this is the supermarket that we're at the moment. Bo and I waiting for Paul to come back. He's gone into the shopping. I went the first time and I didn't like it at all because I didn't understand, and my phone ran out of battery, so I didn't have the translator. So yeah, I said next time you can have a go. But I have noticed that he has left his phone in here, so he won't have the translator either. Just to understand like what different cheeses and things like that there are, but no doubt he'll manage. Bless him. And yeah, so we're enjoying our holiday. We've just run out of some water and some wine. Gotta have wine. And some bread. I wanted some sliced bread. We do have a baguette delivered every day, and some croissants, but I just fancied some sliced bread. So we'll hopefully see him coming out of the shop very shortly. So over an hour later, he's on his way back. Bonjour. I thought you bought the shop.
Pardon?
I thought you bought the shop.
No, I've been having a good look round.
I think you had, darling.
I didn't weigh my tomatoes, so I had to run back and do that. Hey ho. Hello, Bobo.
She's been missing you, Daddy, but she sat there ever so patiently watching you, waiting for you. But now she's seen you.
Good.
So, have you bought lots of things then?
No, just a few. Essentials.
What, like
Cheese, wine.
beer?
Oh yeah, beer. And where did that come from? That must have fell off the shelf when I walked past. I'm going to have to put it in the other side.
Yeah, but have you got some good stuff in there?
Lettuce. Tomatoes. Don't worry. We'll survive.
Oh yes, yeah. Well, I hope so, darling. After all that time you spent in that shop.
No longer than you did.
Oh, you did. And guess what you forgot? You forgot your phone to translate.
I know. I know.
I said.
I did see that at the power station shop.
Is it? Well, it would. Maybe.
Looks like it might be playing that, but I ain't going to get stuck in that.
No. Okay. Load up then, love.
Righto.
Bless his heart, he's a good un. Good evening.
Good evening from me. This is our last evening. We've managed to pack away as far as taking the canopies down and a few bits and pieces. We're off tomorrow morning to our next stop, which we'll put on the next video.
Which is what?
Can't remember the name of it, but it's near Abbeville.
Yeah.
Somewhere near to the vet we're going to use for those tapeworm. But yeah, it's been really good. Met some lovely people. Very quiet during the week. The French do turn up at the weekends and have a little bit of a party, but that's not a problem. But yeah, it's been nice, hasn't it?
It has been lovely. Really nice break.
Yeah. Yeah, met a nice couple from near to Norwich. Very, very similar caravan. And today we were on the wine tasting. We did the wine tour today. Very nice, very hot. Tasted a few glasses of wine when we got back and sat on the table with, believe it or not, the next door neighbours of Sharon's daughter. Which was unreal. It's a big, big, small world.
Yeah, definitely a small world.
Yeah.
And they were lovely, and it's a shame that we only met them like today, and we're going tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we will catch up with them at home.
Yeah. So yeah, we're off for an evening meal, and
we'll show you what we have.
Yeah. Well, and that will be on the road tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll see you then.
Bye bye.